Hey guys, welcome to MS Online Academy. My name is Murgesh. In this video, we are going to be study about the market update. It's a weekly market update, and we are going to be review about the global market, Indian market. After that, we are selecting the stock sector and stock. Okay, let me start with global market update first. Top-down analysis of a stock market means first we are reviewing the world market. After that, Indian market, after that sector, and from the good sector we are selecting the stock. This is what the regular process which we have followed. Okay, I hope you, if you are following me, then definitely you know the this particular process. You can see here in a US market, it is pretty bullish. That means in a monthly it is holding a above 60, and weekly in this week it came to above 60. Nasdaq and SPX, right? And tomorrow there is a president vote also. There could be some volatility in the US market, but overall global market is good, except Korea. You can check the other countries' data also. But with respect to US, yes, there is a bullish trend is going to happen if it is crossed 60 in this week also. Okay, let's see. In Indian market, it's a make or break situation. All the Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty, those are all the major sectors are holding 40 support. You can see here. Okay, previous week also it took a support, and this week also we need to be observed whether it's going to be hold 40 support or not. If it is breakdown, then we can see a further downfall in the Indian market. But RSI 14 weekly is like a Lakshman Rekha or a major support you can call. So if it is holding and making a sideway, and after that if it is bouncing, then we can see a uptrend sectors. You can see here only IT previous week it is a above 60. Okay, and now that is also turned back to bearish. Okay, so that means majorly IT, whenever IT is falling, the other sectors usually go up or a market will be go up. That is we called as a contra sector. Okay, so now the IT sector is coming down. That means there is a possibility to be go Nifty in a uptrend. Okay, you can watch that one. And secondary, you can observe auto. It is folding 40. Okay, last time we discussed auto and FMCG. Those are the sectors. Maybe take a uptrend. Okay, still FMCG taking a support at 40. Those are not came below, but media and energy are the sectors where those are below 40 in weekly time frame. Okay, majorly I can say one particular nugget here. Whenever any stock or a sector which are coming or are rejecting from the 60, there we have to find out the opportunity to sell. Okay, you can see some examples while reviewing the stocks. Okay, but this is a very important. If you are a seller, learn or a trade downtrend, and this is the important nugget, because how the 40 is support and 60 is also resistance when it is going from a 40 to 60. It's not so easy to be cross the 60 RSI in weekly. If it is rejecting from that, and we have to be ready to use that opportunity to trade in future in a sell side. Nifty, you can see here it is taking a support at 40, and the major issue is it is rejecting from the 40 also. If it is continue and breakdown from these particular reasons, then we can see a downfall. Okay, but only hope is that 40 support here and 60 support in monthly also. Okay, these are the point. And similarly in Sensex also. In Nifty Bank, you can see it is gained 40 and it is made a doji kind of thing. Now it is very important to be bounce back. If it is not, then there is a we can see June or election bottom around this particular price 46,000. So another 2,000 or 2,500 points downfall is possible in Bank Nifty if it is not taking any support here in a 40 weekly time frame. Okay, I hope you understand this one. But one more important thing is that in monthly also it is breaking down from the 60. It is a major support actually, but it is not holding here. Citibank, we have to be very careful. If it is taking a down trend, and if it is taking a down trend, and we have to utilize that opportunity to be short the future, and you can trade in the PE side also. Nifty PSU Bank, okay, it is taking at the 40 support. As I said, 40 is the very important, and we can see a divergence also. weekly divergence. We need to be go for the long as per this support. Okay, we can check the sectorial sectorial stocks, and you can go for the long in this particular sector. Okay, Nifty Finance is similar to the Bank Nifty. It is taking a support. We have to be observed. Okay, but the major problem is that in daily time frame, it is taking a rejection from the 40. Okay, Nifty Auto, it is above 60. As I said, it's a third time. It is taking a support here. You can observe here first, second, and third. Third time it may take a support because it made a dozy candle actually here. And if it is bounce back and cross the previous week high, then we can see the good momentum in auto sector stocks. Nifty IT, as I said, it is become a weak. And I said one again that whenever it is resulting from 60, those are the opportunity where we must need to be used for the shorting purpose. And definitely based on this particular theory, we are in uh, a short side for the IT sector. Okay, Nifty Pharma, same thing. It is rejecting from the 60 and double top you can see here. This is a M pattern we can see in weekly also. If it is breakdown from this particular area, then we can see a further downfall till 40 in weekly. T infra, it is taking a support at 40. We have to observe the Nifty infra stocks also. Nifty energy, it's anyhow it is weak. You can see here from the top when it is rejecting from the 60, it started falling like anything. If you got any of the energy sector stock in this particular area, then you can see around 20-30% return in downside. That's why it's important to be learn the downtrend strategy. We should not be biased with respect to buying only. We must need to be learn how to use the opportunity when market is falling. Okay, if you are a TUT student, then it's compulsory for you to be go through all the downtrend secret videos. Okay, Nifty PSC, okay, it is taking a support at 40. Okay, we can see a good move here also in the uptrend upside. Let's see, we need a follow through. Already the stocks or sectors are taking a support at 14 weekly time frame, but remember the follow through is very important. If you don't get a follow through, then definitely we can see a one more sell side. And based on the drive theory, okay, this is the first drive, this is the second drive. Okay, it could go to near middle band and reject also. So we have to be very careful with respect to whenever it is rejecting from the middle band. Okay, in downtrend secret, there is a second strategy. Okay, that is based on the rejection pullback theory. Nifty reality, it made a hammer in weekly. That's a good opportunity, but we can see the CIP also here. Okay, 40 support, hammer kind of a candlesticks, 60 support, middle band support. We have to plot the reality stocks also for the uptrend. Nifty consumer durable, okay, it's a gap down and it came up below 60, rejecting from 60 and a divergence also. Okay, look at this. If you got this particular opportunity, if you observe this divergence, based on that, you can short, Dixon or Titan, these kind of a stocks you can short and we can make a money. Okay, that's why I'm really emphasizing you people to be learn downtrend secret. That is the important. As a trader, when you trade in the both side, uptrend and downtrend, then only you can make a money in whatever situation in the market. Nifty metal, metal is taking a support at 40 and few metal stocks are making a good move. In that, Indalco is one of that. Okay, that is the one which we are tracking. Nifty Auto, similar, it's a triple bottom you can see here. Okay, and if it is taking a support, then we can trade in a Nifty sector also. Because one more important thing is that it is taking a support at monthly 60, weekly and daily 40. Okay, if Nifty is also bounce back from 40 and Nifty Auto and Nifty Metals are bounce back from 40, then we can see a very good move in the market, right? Nifty FMCG is similar to Auto, it is taking a support here. Okay, these are the sectors review. Within that, we are keeping IT and pharma for the downtrend trading purpose. Okay, downside. And FMCG, auto, metal, those are we are tracking for the uptrend. If those are giving any confirmation only. And if Nifty also bounce back and FMCG, metal and auto or bounce back, then definitely we can track these sector for the buy purpose. Let's track, let's review few stock where we are tracking for the trading purpose for the next week. Okay, BSC. See, this is the one stock we are tracking aggressively, and if you are part of our WhatsApp group, okay, then you definitely traded this one, suggesting this particular stock from 5,500 or 5,600 around. Within 3 sessions, it make a almost 400 points, 4 to 500 points. Because few of the stocks are like that. Irrespective of market condition, they used to be run. So we have to follow the procedure. You can see here it is a DWM strategy. It came near to 40 and bounced back. And along with that, it's a W pattern. It's a second leg. Okay, one candle risk. It's breakout, and it went like a crazy actually. Okay, it made a runaway gaps here. Okay, and breakout from the previous resistance. It's sustaining there. That is important. As I said, Nifty FMCG is at the bottom at the support weekly RSI 40 support. So within that sector, Jubilant Food is one of the great stock because it is near to cup pattern. That is the first reason. Okay, there could be a CIP also. We can see here, but 60, 60, 40. Okay, DWM we can apply here. If we see good candle here, then definitely we can track this as per the DWM strategy. Marico, this is rejecting from 60. Okay, but if you see the candlestick, it's making a pullback. Hammers are happening. That means there is a strength in a bias. If it is breakout from the previous this particular candle, then we can see a very good bounce back. So I'm just observing if it is breakout from this trend line, and we can track this one also for the trading purpose. For the next week, if it is go above this one, okay, and here in daily also, if it is breakout 60, then definitely we can add this one. Okay, for the from the FMCG sector. Okay, and one more important thing is that whenever stock is at 60, it's a make or break situation. Okay, we have to be ready for trading upside and downside, both the trend. Then only we can make a proper money in the market. Hindalco, as I said, that metal is taking a support, and here it is taking a support at in Hindalco, it is taking at a 40 and it's make a made already engulf candle. Okay, so this is the one of the good stop from the metal sector. HCL, as I said, it is a gap down and it made almost 8% downfall here after result. And IT anyhow we are keeping in a sell side. Okay, if it is making a one more downside with a below this green candle, then definitely we have to be ready for the short side with this particular candle as a SL stop loss. Okay, in fee after result, okay, you see here, this is a major reason for the shorting purpose. When it is rejecting from the uh 60 in a weekly, we got around 1945. We shorted this as at 1945. Okay, because it is clearly a M pattern also. When result came, okay, it's a stayed 4% gap down, and it is not sustained at this level. Okay, because Nifty IT also it is got weakened, and along with that other peers stocks, those are very weak, so it is falling down. So you can see here, this is what we are holding till now. Okay, this is how we have to be analyzed, and we have to hold the winning stocks. Okay, so now it is, if it is bounce back also, whenever it is crossing this high, we will choose our trade. But currently this is what the trade we are holding. Okay, this is another stop. Same theory. When it is breakdown from this particular M pattern, you can see this is the M pattern in weekly. You can see the multiple divergence also, trend line breakdown also. Okay, so if you shorted this one here around 13,000 and 3,000 within few trading sessions, so we must need to be track the stocks. We must need to be review every day all the stocks actually. That is how we can get the particular stock to trade. Okay, M&M, it is breaking down from the particular trend line, and if if in case auto sector is not holding that 40, in that case M&M is one of the stocks where you can short also, but it is near to all time high. If it is breakout from this area, then we can track for the buy side also, because most of the stocks, whether we can see make or break situation, because most of the sectors at the support level. If it is breakout or breakdown from the RSI 40, then it is a sell opportunity. If it is taking support from the 40, then it is a buy opportunity. Okay. Maruti, it is it is moving very well because it took a support. You can see here it made a W pattern and it is bounced back like a crazy. Okay, you can see the PIP also. Okay, any pullback in this particular area, then we can use that opportunity for the trading purpose. Hindalco, already we discussed that one. Bounce back angle also, so definitely you can track this one. Tata Power, okay. This is from the energy sector. Okay, so if it is rejecting from this area because it is already breakdown and taking a support at 40. If it is take a support, then we are not trading. This one is a long side. This is a short candidate. Okay, Vedanta, it's took a support here. Okay, major support in weekly, made a good candle also. Okay, so we can track this for the buy side. Glenmark, it is at the major support. Okay, it is at major support. If it is breakdown, then there will be a very good momentum in Glenmark in a buy, sell side actually. Okay, track this carefully. Keep alerts. Okay, if it is breakdown, then definitely you can get a, because pharma also rejecting from 60. This is also already rejected. Okay, then now if it is one more drive, we can see here in the Glenmark. Arofarna, similarly, similar thing, like, if it is breakdown from this particular area, then you can see the, further downfall in Arofarm. Dr. Reddy, already we are in a position when it is made, coming top kind of a candlestick, okay, it rejected from the top, okay, it's in a M pattern, okay, double top. These are the reason for the why we choose Dr. Reddy for the short selling purpose. Okay, we have to connect the points. That's why in our in our course, first we have to study the 5 pillars of the technical analysis: price, pattern, value, momentum, and volatility. These are the 5 pillars of technical analysis. And when we learn that one, we have to apply for the both side, like upside, uptrend, and downtrend. Then only you can make a proper and consistent money in the market. Biocon, yes, Biocon is one of the strong stock currently in the pharma sector. If it is if it is reverse back, then we can, this is the first candidate to trade in uptrend or a, buy side. And RAC, PFC are our favorite stocks, okay, taking support at 40. This is the value buying area, okay. This is the value because it is taking a support at 60 also, moving average, middle band support is there, and it made a good candidate, candle in weekly. Okay, there is a resistance you can see here. If it is crossed this one particularly, or else around 500 range, you can see when it is crossing around above 500, then we can go for the long side. EFC also similar thing, taking a support at 40. Okay, Duxon, it's the DWM candidate. Okay, this is a very strong stock. It took a support at middle band. It's not so easy to be cross middle band and 60. Okay, this is opportunity actually. We suggested around 16,000. If you following our WhatsApp group, we clearly mentioned there is a CIP in 16,000. Okay, there could be a possibility of bounce back from 16,000, and it is clearly bounce back. SDI, okay, PSU banks are taking a support as we discussed. Okay, if in case those are bounce back, then this is the best stock to be accumulate the stocks. In that, this is also a very, it made a angle kind of thing, angle candle in weekly. The risk will be the low of this particular candle, and we can start accumulating this one. All technical, reasons to value buying those are appear in this particular stock. Like, 60 support, moving average support, 40 support. Okay. This is the value buying area where we can trade. Okay. So there's multiple, stocks for a buy and sell side. You can correct these stocks also, but carefully track those. Okay. Keep alerts, and whenever opportunities are there, and then, just execute your trades. At least try with one or two stocks in upside, or else just do the, paper trading. Okay. Front page is an app where we can use the 10 lakh virtual money and try for the sell side, everything actually. Okay. All the best guys, and see you in next video. Thank you.